Hey, what's up everybody? Well, today is time to play with some of the Namoki parts that Mr. Jeremiah sent me. But if you watch the other video, and I'll link to it up here, I did mention that I had different things in mind. So this is one of the things I had in mind. I did have this Namoki case and bracelet kicking around that I've already built. And I figured, that would look pretty darn good in there. So, I figure we're just going to do that today and make it a little quick and easy on ourselves. So, I'm just going to shove this out of the way for the moment. And I hope you guys can hear me okay. I'm kind of test driving a different system here. I'm using these Raycons. See if I like using them while I record. Now, we're going to use an NH38 movement because there's no date. So, and I've already got a stem cut for this case. So I'm just going to pull this stem out of there and keep that for a later build. Now we just need to put this dial on. Probably, I don't know, maybe get clip some dial feet. I'm not sure what this one has on it. There we go. Gee, I like that matte black dial. That's so nice and dark. Love it. Yeah, we're gonna need to clip some dial feet. That's all right, it happens. Yeah, just gonna make sure which ones we're clipping. I know I've done it 1,000 times, but I still love to make mistakes and then piss myself off. So I want to clip the one that's closest to the 3 and then the opposite one on the other side. So I'm going to do that and we'll be back. All right, dial feet's clipped. Just going to put it on the dial, or sorry, on the movement. Oh, for the love of Pete. Because it's just that easy. You know how that goes, right? There we go. This one didn't want to go in. I think it was just ever so crooked, but then it popped in for us. All right. Now, being that this is an NH38, you don't need to flip it over to find your time. There's no date. So we can just go right ahead into setting our hands. That's kind of handy, actually. Not gonna lie. Always find yourself a clean bit of your Rodico. You'll have less to clean up afterwards. And I thought these were brushed hands. I didn't open them. They're polished. So, yeah. Oh, come on. There we go. Stuck in the styrofoam there. Now, well done, Namoki. You did an excellent job matching the excuse me. Matching the loom on the hands and the dial. It matches absolutely perfect. Oops. Keep bumping the camera. Nothing new. Just gotta make sure that's all lined up good for us. Oh yeah, we're good. This is kind of really the one nice thing about NH38s. You don't have to worry about about the time. You just get that hand on there and you're ready to go for the next one. Now I will go back and clean up all my tool marks, but in the meantime, we're just going to get these on. All right. Now for the dreaded second hand. It's not that bad, you guys. Just gotta take your time, breathe, hold your breath. Don't drop it off the Rodico, because that's a pain in the arse. There it is. I didn't even wind this up. Whoops. It's alive. Alrighty. Now to get it all cleaned up before we case it. This is the most important part. Alright, well, as always, that was the biggest pain in the rear end. It's never fun to clean in parts. Alright, let's get this cased before we have the usual heart attacks. You know how it goes. Yeah, what am I doing? Yeah, I figured I haven't seen too many, I'll say at least, not too many California dial, like skin divers. California skin diver. That's what, hey, that's a good name for this. Good thinking, you guys. California skin diver. I haven't seen many, if any. Well, no, I've seen a couple, I'm pretty sure. But I figured it would be kind of cool. And I think I was right. I do believe we have a winner. Okay, that doesn't want to sit right, so there we go. Pop it out and do it again. There we go. There we go. That looks a little crooked as well, at least from my perspective. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, maybe. Let's see how the stem feels when it goes in. Honestly, you can always tell how the stem feels and then how the crown feels, no matter what your eyes are seeing. Sometimes I'm a little cross-eyed, I'm not gonna lie. Nope. We are wunderbar. Now this was all greased up. I just took it apart. Everything was all ready to go. There's actually another watch in here. But I figured, you know what? I think 62 mass California build. 62 mass California dial. I'm just gonna put this bracelet back on now. Cool. Yeah. I think that's pretty dang sharp. 62 Mass, California dial. And if I remember right, yeah, that's a fully loomed insert too. We'll have to turn down some lights and have a gooder look at that. Where's that switch? There we go. Oh yeah. Flaming. I love it. Hey guys. I think that's actually really sharp. I wasn't sure. I'm not a big fan of California dials. I've never picked one up. But you know what? I really like that. I think that's dang sharp. That top hat sapphire on there. Give it a little vintagey look. Fully loomed insert. Namoki mod 62 Mass case. And a fitted end bracelet for it. Fitted end. Namoki mod's case for it. Dang. Well, tell me what you think, fellas. And ladies, if anybody's watching. I appreciate you watching. Tell me what you think. Love y'all. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep coming back for more. Love you.